What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here with DiCarlo Capital, and today we're doing a brief little update on Palantir. We've been covering the stock for a bit, and I wanted to continue to go over this, even though I'm not in a position, but just to give you guys an update on the state of Palantir and how this thing has been trading. Before we get into it, though, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out our Discord. It's completely free. Link is in the description. Over 5,200 members strong. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, and the best unusual options bot. It's all completely for free. You can get it in the link below. Now, taking a look at Palantir, way under that $17 support. We completely bounced, came up, tapped resistance, continued to drop. And in the past couple of days, since rejecting at that 11 EMA, we are down 13.57%. RSI is nosediving, pointing down. Not even in oversold territory yet. We're still at 25, right? Well, I guess you could say we're in oversold territory, under 30 really, but nothing too crazy. MACD histogram actually made a lower low. Volume is getting sucked out here. Lower lows each and every single day for volume. If we take a look at the flow today for Palantir, you're going to notice that there's really nothing crazy happening. A lot of big puts coming in for the next couple of weeks at that $16 strike. And you can also see here a lot of people selling calls. So a lot of bearish flow for the day. Nothing too insane, but still these 225s are the biggest ones that really are, pointing out to me that they're really, this is the biggest orders that came through so far. 300, 600, about $800,000 worth of puts coming through today for Palantir for the next couple of weeks. Really not a good sign. I still stand by what we said earlier after we broke that $17 price target when I ended up selling. I still think we're going to end up dropping at least another 10%, and we will see Palantir drop down probably to that $14 price target. If we end up snapping that $14 price target, then we could really end up seeing a significant drop down to probably $10. So sticking back to what we were saying before, this is why I ended up closing my position, right? Because at the end of the day, having a hard stop loss for a lot of people is tough because mentally you're like, oh no, I know it's going to recover. And I'm not saying Palantir's not, but this is why I have a hard stop loss, because I did take a $1,400 stop on Palantir, but I ended up making 12 grand in the past 2 weeks. So it's like, if I held on, I'd probably be down $2,500. So sometimes it's just, cutting the loss to just get it off of your chest and not have to deal with it mentally. You know what I mean? But overall, I think that looking at Palantir long term, it's not necessarily, it's definitely risky, but I think that Palantir long-term is not a bad investment as a speculative play. But for me personally, trading this, I am not going to be even looking at this until we get down to $14 personally. And then at that point for $14 is when I will look to actually potentially sell some like $12.50 or $12 puts, because at that point, I feel like the risk is definitely worth the reward. But I think that we still have to sell off just a little bit further, another 4 or 5%. But let's see where it goes, guys. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know if you're still holding into Palantir. I'll continue to do these quick little updates for you guys each and every single day, since I know that this is a stock that a lot of you guys watch. Let me know in the comment section any tickers you want me to personally go over. I love going over different tickers for you guys. And have a good day. Peace.